to Shirdi, I find that place very energetic, very magical. There is a lot of, I feel like he has, उसने सींचा है, he's like actually nurtured that space so that, he knew that when people will visit that place and when they will keep their feet on that place, they will get healed or they will clear the karma.
Yes.
I see the Dhoni as a healing object. I see Vibhuti as a healing,
Yes.
tool that he has left for us. I see the neem tree as the wish fulfilling tree. Like I see Shirdi in a very different way, than just a place where there's a temple and we go to visit God. How do you see Shirdi?
Home.
Amazing.
For me, Shirdi is like being home. As a child, we would go very, very, very often. It wasn't that crowded then.
Yes.
My papa was from Ahmednagar district, so that's like, I would say it's in my DNA.
Yeah.
And mom was from Pune. Of course, I grew up in Mumbai, but a lot of visits, and it was so strong that my mom. I'm very grateful that she recognized that in me. She never stopped me. I would get up in the morning. We would bathe and all, go for Kakar Aarti. Before that, I would run into the Dwarka Mai and help the Panditji. Those days, it wasn't crowded. So I would say,
Yes.
Mala diya, I want to make the diya. I want to
Yes.
put the har. I want to put the flowers. And they were also very kind. They
So
would just
many
allow
diyas we
it.
could put over there. It was beautiful.
And then I would go running to the Samadhi Mandir because that time,
Yes.
Kakar Aarti is about to start. So especially in like winter, you're running because it's so cold.
I have the same experience.
Yeah, and then when you go inside the Samadhi Mandir, it's like as if you just feel warm.
Yes.
As if there's a embrace of a Mai Bap, of your mother, father, like I call my Sai, my true Mai Bap. It's a warm envelope of embrace, of love. Climb up to his Samadhi, do his Abhishek, sit in the Kakar
Beautiful.
Aarti.
That was beautiful times. Even I've done that
come
as a
out,
child.
sit under the neem tree,
Yes.
blissful.
Yes.
Go to Dattadev, go to Nandip, go to the Chowdi, all of it. Then I would just go into the houses, and because I was Maharashtra, so I could, speak the language. Go into their houses, Lakshmi Bai, Tatya Patil,
Yeah, it's beautiful.
old devotees' homes,
It's
eat
beautiful.
pitla bhakri with them, chat about Baba, and just come back. It was just like I knew the ways.
Yes.
I won't
yes,
say anything
yes,
else. I will
yes.
rest it at
I
that.
agree with that.
Yeah.
That didn't live in my, memories of
because
me in the
because it's
Kakar
not-
Aarti. It was beautiful.
Yes, and it's a continuous process, right? So Shirdi was a small village. Today it is a pilgrim town and a center facilitating over 2-4 lakhs devotees daily.
Yes.
Still being done beautifully, managed beautifully,
Beautifully.
because that is all his grace.
Yes.
Because that is his promise. You see, you have to understand, Baba always kept his word. And that is something, as a devotee of Sai, you have to imbibe if you want to hear him. His words were never, never, never random. And he has said this in the Sai Satcharitra. He tells Bapu Sahib Bhuti, build a wada. We will love, laugh, and live there. And living he is. 103 years after his Maha Samadhi. Yes.
I have had a magical
Yes.
experience over
Yes.
there. I have seen him in real
Yes,
form.
absolutely.
It's beautiful.
Yes. So he is very Jagrut, and that is why people flock. And they do it because they're experiencing him. Divine is
100%.
experience.
100%.
It's experienced. Yes.